Dangshen, commonly known as Codonopsis pilosula or poor man's ginseng, is a revered herb in traditional Chinese medicine known for its adaptogenic, immune-boosting, and energy-enhancing properties. Often used as a gentler alternative to ginseng, Dangshen is celebrated for its ability to support overall vitality and resilience against physical and mental stress.
Dangshen contains a variety of bioactive compounds responsible for its health benefits. Polysaccharides enhance immune function and support overall health. Saponins contribute to its adaptogenic and anti-inflammatory effects. Flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. Alkaloids may offer neuroprotective and anti-fatigue properties. These compounds work synergistically to deliver a wide range of health benefits.
Here are health benefits of Dangshen. 1. Soothing cough and supporting lung health. In traditional Chinese medicine, Dangshen is valued for its ability to soothe the lungs, reduce phlegm, and relieve symptoms of bronchitis, asthma, and chronic respiratory conditions such as tuberculosis and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Its active compounds help relax bronchial muscles and inhibit endogenous secretions that cause bronchial spasms.
2. Enhancing postpartum health and breast milk production. Dangshen, when combined with licorice root, is traditionally used to improve breast milk production and enhance its quality. It also helps in hormone regulation and blood replenishment, supporting overall postpartum recovery.
3. Regulating blood sugar levels. Dangshen helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with prediabetes or diabetes. It aids in reducing symptoms and preventing complications related to high blood sugar.
4. Anti-inflammatory properties. The saponins in Dangshen inhibit bacterial protein synthesis, providing a natural anti-inflammatory effect. This helps reduce inflammation and protect the body from bacterial infections.
5. Liver protection and detoxification. Dangshen helps protect liver cells and supports recovery from liver damage caused by alcohol, toxins, or chronic liver diseases. It promotes cellular repair and enhances liver function.
6. Nervous system support. Dangshen, often combined with ginkgo, enhances cognitive function, improves memory, and reduces mental fatigue. It promotes blood circulation to the brain, benefiting individuals dealing with stress, anxiety, or cognitive decline.
7. Skin and hair health. Rich in antioxidants, Dangshen helps slow the aging process, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin elasticity. Enhanced blood circulation contributes to radiant skin and stronger, shinier hair.
8. Immune system support. Dangshen stimulates the production of interferons, strengthening the immune system and helping the body fight off viral infections. Regular consumption reduces susceptibility to colds, flu, and other illnesses.
9. Digestive health. Dangshen protects the gastric lining, prevents ulcers, and promotes the healing of stomach tissues. It also reduces symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea.
In TCM, Dangshen is often included in herbal formulas to tonify the spleen and lungs, strengthen qi, support recovery after illness or surgery, improve blood circulation, relieve chronic fatigue and stress-related symptoms.
How to use Dangshen. In teas, simmer dried Dangshen in hot water to create a nourishing tea. In soups, add Dangshen soups and broths for added health benefits. As supplements, take in capsule or tincture form for targeted therapeutic effects. In herbal formulas, often combined with other herbs in traditional TCM blends.
Precautions and side effects. Dosage matters. Overconsumption, 30–60 grams daily, may cause chest pain, sore throat, dizziness, or confusion. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women due to insufficient safety data. Blood clotting disorders. Codonopsis may slow blood clotting. Avoid using it with anticoagulant medications such as aspirin, clopidogrel, or warfarin. Pre-surgery use. Discontinue Codonopsis at least 2 weeks before any scheduled surgery to prevent excessive bleeding. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Codonopsis may reduce stomach acid secretion, causing digestive imbalances. Inflammatory bowel disease. May reduce gastrointestinal motility, potentially worsening symptoms like constipation or bowel obstruction.
Natrum cough-free lozenges are thoughtfully designed to provide natural relief from persistent coughs and throat discomfort, helping to restore your respiratory health and overall well-being. Formulated with 14 potent medicinal herbs and essential oils, including ginger extract, Pholium perile, and Dangshen Ginseng, Cough-Free combines anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and soothing properties for fast-acting relief.
Don't forget to subscribe for more daily wellness tips.